Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a colorful rainbow eyeshadow look. I wanted to recreate one of Nikki Tutorial's eyeshadow look. She did this back in 2018. It was a Halloween video. I don't know, I thought it was super cute and I wanted to recreate it but put like my own twist to it. So yeah, be ready, come with me and let's get right into the video. I wanted to say I'm not no MUA, so I just do makeup for fun. I don't really know if I'm doing this right or not, so I'm just following kind of like what the tutorial was. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to first be using this BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to be using this colors first, this one and this one first, and I'm just going to be placing this in the outer corner of my eyelid. Sorry if you could hear the fan in the bathroom is too loud. So yeah guys, I'm just going to be placing this in the outer corner. Okay, I'm going to be doing the same thing on the other eye. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the James Charles Times Morphe, and I'm going to be using a orange color. I like this orange because it's very vibrant. It's going to be this one right here, and I'm just going to be placing the color in the inner of my eyelid. I'm packing that color as well. Now I'm going to be using a pink eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the Morphe M456 brush. So I have been using the Morphe M433 brush for the blue eyeshadow, and I used the Luxie 209 for the orange eyeshadow. So I'm taking this M456 for the pink eyeshadow, and I'm going to use the Fierce by Nature by Morphe palette, and I'm just going to be using this shade right here, this pink, and I'm going to be placing this in the middle between the orange and the blue. And I'm dragging this towards the blue so it can look purple. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetics brush. I don't know what it's called. It's number 6. And I'm going to be taking this shade right here and this shade also, so I can deepen out the outer corner also. Okay, so now we can cut the crease. And for the crease, I'm going to be using this Morphe M410 brush. Looks like this. And I'm going to be using my Magic Star Concealer by Jeffree Star in the shade 613. C13, I'm sorry. Also, I don't know how to cut the crease that well, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out. the makeup wipe, I'm going to take off the excess. And I'm not gonna do a winged eyeliner just because I don't really know how to do it, and yeah, I don't want to mess the whole look up. For the bottom eyeshadow, I'm going to add pink and orange. And it don't matter what color you're gonna add first. After that, I'm going to take this Morphe M152 brush. It looks like this. And I'm going to add some setting spray, and I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm just gonna spray so I can add a highlight to the brow bone, which for that I'm going to be using the Morphe with Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using these two eyeshadows for that. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the same two eyeshadows that I used, and I'm going to pack them in the crease. So I'm taking these two again. So now I'm going to take, like this brush. I'm also going to be taking the same two eyeshadows, and I'm just going to put those in the tear duct of my eye. And I always use those two colors for the brow bone and for here. Okay, so now I'm going to curl my eyelashes so I can put on fake eyelashes on. And I'm going to be using the Roller Eyelash Mascara. And for my eyelashes, I'm going to be using the eyelashes by Beauty Creations, and this is in the style Aesthetic. These are super cute, and they're kind of extra, but they're cute, you know? Like I said, you can always do your eyeliner. I sometimes do it rarely, but I don't really like how it looks with my eyes, so that's why I don't do it. Okay, so now the eyelashes are on, and I'm going to be using this lip gloss by Fenty Beauty. Called Fuzzy. This is a really cute gloss. This is the only gloss I own. Now, if you guys like this type of videos, comment down below what other eyeshadow looks I should do. You know, fall is coming, fall is right around the corner. This looks more like for summer, so that's why I wanted to record it real quick, because I really like it. I mean, it's for every season. It can go with any type of outfit, but you know, it's more for like its vibrant colors, more like summer, you know. But yeah guys, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications bell so you guys can get notified when I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.